Hi everyone, this is Miss Fruke, and I just want to tell you a little bit about the Environmental Science 10 to 12 ASFM half course elective. I designed it and modeled it after the Ecology 12 core course based on many fundamental principles of environmental science courses. So environmental science is interdisciplinary. What does that mean? It means while you're learning environmental science, you're actually using a lot of other skills and subject content knowledge that you already bring to the class, such as math, socials, languages, and physics, which underlies many of the principles discussed in an environmental science elective. Now, a course like environmental science is goal-oriented. We want to solve some of the Earth's problems because it's not just about what is going on out there in the environment, but it's also about what is the human role towards sustainability and stewardship of planet Earth for future generations to enjoy it just like we are. So you might be thinking, well, who teaches this environmental science? And you'd be right if you thought it was going to be me. I have been the environmental science teacher, but Mr. Hart expressed a big interest in it too, and the reality is I'm switching roles. So while you might still see me around, my presence won't be as great as that of Joe Hart, who has agreed to take on the role of the teacher of the environmental science half-course elective. Now, why would you want to take environmental science? It's going to help you expand your general knowledge. You're going to understand better how the living world works and your place in it. Let's take, for example, you really enjoy Chipinque. You will understand what's going on in Chipinque when you visit it instead of just going, wow, trees. You could get a head start on college. The feedback from the Ecology 12 half course is such that alumni continue to write me even today, even though the course stopped running 3 years ago, to let me know that a lot of the principles contained within an environmental science half course are principles that are discussed in a required full year course in many engineering programs. If you're going to be an engineer, you need to know what you're building over, and that's where the environmental science half course can get you a leg up. And you can become a part of the solution. The potential for project-based and problem-based learning being a reality in a course like this is entirely up to the group of people that are involved in it. If there is a local environmental problem and there's a way to use the class to help to solve it, then that's the kind of thing that we're working towards when we're talking about becoming global leaders at ASFM. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, you can either see Mr. Joe Hart or you can see Miss Leslie Fruke, myself. Thanks so much. Okay, that's not working. My coffee done brewing?